Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of threads. We go to settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of threads and we click here. In this page of app info, we go for stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem.